Hello everyone, hi, this is Hyung. Today I'm going to tell you the difference between 고맙습니다 and 감사합니다. What do they mean? Yes, they mean thank you. But why do Koreans use two different expressions for thank you? 고맙습니다 is original Korean language. Then what is 감사합니다? Unfortunately, 감사합니다 is a vestige of Japanese colonialism. At that time, Japanese banned on Korean languages in Korea, and we shouldn't use Korean languages. Even though we are Koreans, Japanese tried to kill all Korean culture and languages. Anyways, at that time we made lots of new vocabularies in Japanese style. So 감사합니다 is Japanese style Korean new vocabulary. But many people think 감사합니다 is more polite language because some people think if we can write Korean vocabulary with Chinese character, well, it looks better and they think it's more polite expression. However, it's the same. So I will tell you the origin of 고맙습니다. 고 means high mountain and 마 means woman. Then what are those connections? It means the goddess of beautiful and fertile land. So whenever we say to you 고맙습니다, it means you are like a god or goddess, or you are very generous like a god. So whenever you heard it, 고맙습니다, then I said to you, yes, you are like a god or goddess. Isn't it beautiful? Yes. There's another story. Have you ever heard about Korean myth? How we study it like that? According to the legend, the Lord of Heaven had a son, Hwanung. He loved human beings and he came to the human world often. One day, a bear and a tiger found out that Hwanung is here, so they came to Hwanung and they asked to make them human beings. Hwanung promised that if they could go into the cave and live there for 100 days while only eating magwort and garlic, then he will change them into human beings. However, about halfway through the 100 days, the tiger gave up and ran out of the cave. On the other hand, the bear successfully restrained herself and became a beautiful woman, like me. The woman's name is 웅녀 and it just literally means bear woman. And you know what happened next? Hwanung later married her and she gave birth to a son named 단군. When 단군 became adult, he came to human world and had founded an empire that is the start of Korea. Then why did I tell you this story? Do you know how to speak bear in Korean? Yes, 곰. 곰. Think about the bear. She is a wife of God and a mother of God's son and the founder of Korea. 곰 means bear. 같다 means like. It means you are like a bear. 곰 같다. 곰 같다. Like a bear. Like a bear. 곰 같다. 곰 같다. 곰 같다. 곰 같다. 고맙습니다. 곰 같다. Like this. So 고맙습니다. This is another story of 고맙습니다's origin. If I say 곰 같다, it's huge compliment. So from now on, instead of saying 감사합니다, why don't you say 고맙습니다? So today, 고맙습니다 for watching this video. Bye!